The nest of this thing looks like a giant egg. It's made out of resin. It's about 6 inches thick, and inside of it is the brood and the stored food and the bees. And they're protected except when a predator comes along. First time this colony was lost, something came in here and made a real big hole. It was probably an armadillo, but it could have been a tyra, which is like a big tropical mustelid, like a weasel, like a grison or a wolverine, or you know, heavy animal with really strong claws and muzzle, and it killed the colony. But another colony came and reoccupied the same spot. This happened between 1981 and 83. But I found this nest in February '79, and I'm sure it was there for, you know, this tree's been around 150 years or so. It's a big tree. But the only place these can nest is underneath a big tree in a cavity that something else has made. And it could be the action of fungi eating up some of the wood, or it could be water rushing through. But we found the most amazing thing in this forest with a technique called LIDAR. That's like radar, but it senses everything right down to the ground. You can see the 75 hectares with about 300,000 trees in them. And there are about 80 of this size, and they're spread all over the place. But the only nests there are along more or less a straight line here that follows the little stream, and with LIDAR you see there's a depression, a kind of trough. The only nest sites they have that they like or that are available are all along this line, even though the same big trees of the same species are spread out. There are about 80 of them out here. None of them has a nest. So fascinating thing. And hey, it's like you know, a parking spot in a pay lot. You only nest there. There's nowhere else.